What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's jump into this recap. Today, I didn't know what to expect, honestly. My number one watch today was going to be, or was, NKLA. NKLA right here. And as you can see, it opened up, and I hate when stocks open up and do this type of action here, like just such sideways the first few minutes of the day. It makes it very, very hard, or at least for me, difficult to read. I was watching it here as we pushed up, looking for a pullback here into this VWAP, 90 MA, and 23.6 fib area. This is an A plus setup, but I didn't take it. And why didn't I take it? Because I just didn't like this action here, this huge volume in the current environment. I was like, nah. Normally I'd take this, but not today. And I didn't take that trade. And it's a shame. NKLA's been on a tear the last, day. We fell all the way down here to $40, and I wish I would have seen that, because $40 was an area I would have looked at on the daily here for a potential reversal. You can see here $40 is the low of this big day. And this is the day I believe I traded it. Yeah, I believe I traded it on this day. Bought it in here in the 40s and sold into that push into the 70s. That trade is up on my channel. I was actually traveling when I did that one. It was right off my laptop. Real nice day. And I would have definitely looked to have bought here at $40 for a little swing trade. But I took it off my watch list when we broke out of this flag pattern to the downside. I took it off my watch list and forgot about it. And that was a huge mistake on my part, because I could have been trading puts. Because it's hard to borrow. So I could have been trading puts throughout this move and making money. But nonetheless, it is what it is. I was watching it today. I was really hoping we would open up and get a pull into 55, consolidate, and then get that red to green move and push up to 60. See if we break 60 and make a push up to 65 or so. But, this is the action we got. Really, really kind of choppy. So no trades for me on that. And that was it. Now, I need you to do me a quick favor here. That's smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We're really chasing down that 10,000 subscriber mark. Once I get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway to all my subscribers. You can all participate in this giveaway. And the prize is going to be a fully funded trading account. That's right, a fully funded trading account that you can use to trade, add money to, or just sit on until you're ready to trade live money, etc. I'm going to give one of those away to one lucky subscriber when we get to 10,000 subs. So in order to get there, I need you to subscribe, like the channel, comment in the comment section below, and share it with your friends or on social media. Let people know about the channel. That way we get to 10,000 quicker. I see the back end analytics, and guys, the amount of people that watch my channel on a consistent basis is amazing. Like, we would have by now well over 30,000 subscribers, but you guys aren't hitting the sub button, and it doesn't take any effort at all. Just click, boop, magic. It helps me out tremendously, and it helps you out, because we'll get to 10,000 and then we'll do that free account giveaway. Now, I continued to look throughout, my watch list, which I tweeted out this morning, and I got from my gap scan. These are the trade idea gappers, the trade idea scanners with the charts. You can get those, link in the description section, with a coupon code for 15% off. I was watching that, and I had my list drawn up. I tweeted it. I had, let's see here, DSSS on watch. Look at this action, similar to that NKL, right? NKLA. Ugh, I haven't had breakfast yet. And fade. So that one. We also had, I also had AIHS on watch. It had a big gap up. Look at this, down here, 125, all the way to a high day of 235. That's $1. So I had it on watch, but look at this, right off the bell, boom, fell out of bed and just faded. And this has been the trend with small caps lately. NNVC from yesterday, as we know here, nothing going on. DLPN had me very intrigued in here. Very intrigued in here on this VWAP break with high volume, or increase in volume, holding VWAP. An attempt at the highs failed, and well, look at it. Like, this says everything. It completely says everything there is to know about how small caps are behaving. But you know what behaves great? It's Webull. That stock trading app is really good for like on the go, just even to monitor your stocks, even if you're not going to trade on it. It's really good. All you got to do is download the app, fund it with $100. You get 2 free stocks valued between $1,200 to $1,400. All right, so take advantage of that. And also First Trade down there, you can download the app and you don't even need to fund your account. You got a free stock. It's a no-brainer. 3 free stocks, and you can sell them and go out to lunch or buy a mask. I don't know what to tell you. CETX was also on my scan. I didn't have it on watch just because I figured it behaved just like that. So I didn't have that one on watch. Now that's it for the watch list there. And of course I had Tesla on watch. And Tesla's been very difficult to trade here. Let me tell you, at least on the option side of things. This rejection here at VWAP, these options, these puts, 1370s, were going off at 19 bucks. Look at how much we've dropped, but it's been so slow that the time decay on the options itself have been, pretty tremendous. Like this was 19 bucks and change. We're going only at 22.45 on the ask. That's just $2 and change that these options have gotten in value from here. And so much time has passed. These are all 3-minute candles. Now I do have one live trade recorded. That's all I have today. I've took one trade and that was it. I'm really kind of amazed that I took just one trade, and I'm really amazed at how slowly Tesla's moving, and it's finally dumping along with the SPY. But it's been a very difficult trade, so I only have one trade, and we're going to go over that one right here. Let me grab that live trade for you, and we can go over it. So, oh no, this is just me scanning. This is me scanning, looking at Tesla here for that VWAP break, looking to see if this volume would increase. Volume would not increase, it just refused to increase. So no long, see, rejection right there. And look what I was saying, 19 bucks. 19 bucks right there on the ask. And they just wouldn't increase in value because it just ate up all the time grinding it out. Sure, now they're at 24 bucks because we had finally an extension here and a new low. So now finally they're paying off. But man, talk about some money. Talk about like a grind. Here's my live trade. It was really early on. I was in one put off of this rejection up here. Just one. I wanted to like build a position here and get 2 or 3 puts. I was only able to get one. And then we made a new low. And I was like, well, see, we made that new low there. And I was like, well, I guess I'm going to have to take profit on this one. Meanwhile, look at the SPY. Wow. So that's what happened there. And I have the one in at 22.07. We're bidding 22s, ask 22.70. All right. So it's a really quick trade. This trade didn't even take a minute. I get ready to put an order out on the ask since we made a new low. I'm like, well, we made a new low. Volume isn't increasing dramatically. We're not dumping. 1380 is a level on the daily. Let me show you that. Well, not on the daily so much as on the 15-minute. It was a level. See right here? Support, resistance, breakthrough with support, resistance, resistance. So I thought to myself, this is going to be definitely the area where I want to start taking profit. So that's why I got in and took profit within that same candle. I believe I did. So, oh boy. Oh boy. Bloopers. All right, here we go. So there we are. I get ready to put, an order out. I'm always on market just in case I got to stop out in case there's a big reversal. But, we keep pushing down, keep pushing. I'm like, well, I guess I'm going to have to take profit down here. We're making these new lows. See right there, 24 bucks on the ask, 24.90. I put out an order there at 24 and I get filled at 24 on the dot. So I'll show you that order here real quickly. Where are we? Order status, realized gains and loss. Just the one trade, as you can see, we made $191.65, 192 bucks on the day. Almost 200 bucks. I'll take it. That's a double on the day. I'm not sure I'll take another trade. I got some errands I got to run, some business to take care of, and I'm really not fond of this grindy type action. But that's it for me today, guys. It's all about consistency to me. You know that. I've had some huge days this week, huge days last week, and this is probably one of my smallest days in a while, probably a week or two. And I'm happy with it. Why? Because number one, it's a double for me. It's almost $200, and I'll take that any day. Focusing on singles and doubles is what brings these home runs in, and consistency always wins, right? Like, what good is it to be, to have 10 trading days and be red 6 days, but out of those 6, the other 4 are massive winners and you're barely green on the day? That's just a recipe for, emotional issues while trading, causing you to, FOMO and stop out early and stuff like that. I'd rather have 10 trading days and have 2 or 3 red and the rest of them green than anything else. You know what I'm saying? So that's it for me today. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember, consistency is king, and I'll catch you on the next one.